Hello, good afternoon. I'm Janpha Thadphoothon, and this is my show. Can you see it? English in the garden. This afternoon, I'm not in my garden. I'm in my library. And what I usually do is share with you my strategies and my experiences in English language teaching and learning. So this program is for you, especially if you are teaching English and if you are learning the English language. And as usual, I have something to share with you about the English language. This afternoon, I would like to invite you to think about clusters of words and nuances of the language, of the words. So when we say a cluster is a group of related words or expressions. It can be a group of phrases, words, usually words actually. For example, we can think about the words about where people live. Uh, you can think of the cluster of words about where we live, like house, home, the dwelling, habitat, dormitory, villa, residence. So these are words about where people live. You know, if you say I live in a house, so the word a house and a home has different what we call different nuances. Nuances. So what is a nuance? A nuance is a shade of meaning. So for example, when you say I'm going home, the word home has a kind of you know sentimental feeling. If you say this is my house, a house is a bit distant. You will use it to mean a building. If you use the word like dwelling, where is your dwelling? um, the word dwelling is usually we use the word dwelling for animals. And you know so when you use the word dwelling with humans, it's a bit not polite. So words within the same cluster can have different what we call shades of meanings, or what we call different nuances. nuances, nuances. So a nuance is a shade of the language. Are you still with me? So when actually this is a strategy for you to learn vocabulary. So usually what I usually do is grouping words into the same cluster. Yeah. For example, we can think about words related to something not original. You can say it's the mundane, ordinary, it try, it dull, it prodigious, it's banal. So these words have different nuances or shades of meaning. That one is a bit too advanced. Maybe you can use the original example I give to you about words in the same cluster about something big, large, gigantic, huge, you know, big, jumbo. You know, these are the words in the same cluster. Um, the technical term for cluster means we usually refer to them as a lexical field or lexical group. Uh, but recently we have heard the word cluster more often from COVID-19. We have found new clusters, another cluster. So, but the word cluster has been used in English language teaching and learning for for a long time, long before COVID-19. So I have introduced you to two new technical terms. Cluster. A cluster is a group of things related to one another, like uh, a group of words or expression about something big. And nuances. A nuance is a shade of meaning. So I hope you enjoy my show. By the way, if you like my show, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel, Janpha channel. And this is my show, by the way, English in the Garden. I'm not in the garden. And this is Sunday afternoon. And today is the 13th of June 2021. I'm Janpha Thadphoothon. I'm a professional English language teacher. If you like my show, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ask me question if you have any question about English language teaching and learning. I'm happy to share with you my expertise, my experience, the strategies that I have been investigating on. So see you in my next video.